I'm going to show you how to build an entire AI-powered e-commerce store inside of GoHighLevel in minutes using AI. And I'm talking everything from your products to your storefront, to your AI-powered support, your abandoned cart sequences, email automations, email marketing, payments, and so much more. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to get right into it. When I say building an e-commerce store, I'm talking like a Shopify store, but in better and all on GoHighLevel. So the way we're going to do this is actually a little bit better than what you've seen in previous videos, which is we are going to be using this massive AI prompt to build out everything. Again, from the store to the website to the products to, most importantly, the AI chatbots that do the support, all of it done with this prompt inside of the store. It would be right under sites and it would be right under stores. But in order for this video to work, we're going to be using both Ask AI and the Vibe Coder, which if you do not see, you would come right down here into Labs, scroll right on down until you see the Vibe Builder, which is under AI Studio, toggle this on, come back, and then we are ready to rumble. So you're going to get this exact prompt, which by the way is completely free in my community right down below, which you get access to me and a bunch of other amazing stuff. So please go check that out, but it's free. You don't have to pay me for it. It's just in that community, which you sign up right down below with my 30-day trial. And we're going to be using this exact prompt. You can absolutely, if you want, not use a prompt and build it from scratch. I will tell you, like little warning, it's going to take you hours, if not days. The prompt is meant to speed everything up. So we're going to copy this entire thing, put it into your favorite LLM, whether it be ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Bard, whatever you use, and we're going to plug in a couple things. So first things first, business. We're going to do Declan's shoes. And by the way, guys, this is going to spit out a bunch of different things, and we're going to put it in the different builders, and it's going to do it all for us. You're going to see in a sec. Website URL. Well, we're going to do Declan's amazing shoes.com. Industry niche. We're going to do shoes, footwear. Products sold, Declan Elites. I'm just making up some random shoe names. Declan Flip Flops. So we could obviously keep going. This is for the sake of the video, but you would just put in your exact product. We'll do men's sneakers. You put in exactly what you want right there. Average order value also is AOV as what is the average order value. We're gonna do 150 bucks. Okay. Unique selling proposition, premium materials, ankle support. I don't know anything about the shoe industry, so please don't attack me for this. I'm just putting in random stuff. But all you're going to be doing, just like I am, filling out these yellow spots on the prompt. That's it. From there, we're going to go with it. So brand voice, we're just going to do this. I mean, it's very easy. This thing takes literally less than a minute to fill out. Shipping policy, free shipping. You would put in your actual shipping policy, just like you'll put in your actual return policy and your actual warranty. I don't have any of that because this is makeshift, but you would put in that actual thing because that is very important to e-commerce. Contact email, we're going to do Declan's amazing shoes at gmail.com. Again, this is just for the sake of the video. Contact phone. Guys, it's really important that we have these things properly filled out because this is going to go on everything. And then from here, okay, social proof, I'm not just going to do none for now, but it would be your Google business profile or something like that. And then from here, we're going to do these two are really good. Discounts, free shipping, top competitors, I don't know, wizard shoes. But you would put in the actual URL, you would go through and do all that. So that's what you're going to fill out. It's very easy. As you saw, I was filling it out while yapping to you. If you fill it out properly, it should take you no more than 2 minutes to fill out this entire prompt. But the whole point about this prompt is it is going to build out everything for us. You're about to see. So you don't have to go in, complete the setup, build your store, build your products, build your AI chatbots, which will take you hours, if not days, actually more like weeks. But to do all that, so you don't want that. Work smarter, not harder. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click enter, and AI is going to build everything out so we can copy and paste. Wow, so it's so big, it's telling me it needs to have this thing, which is actually a good sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to do option 6 because it's going to give me all 5 sections so I can copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, so it has it already. We're good to go. Now what we need to do is we need to lay out the proper info on our page so we can go through and do this. So first things first, we're going to go to Ask AI, and we're going to duplicate said tab. Then from here, because now we have Ask AI pulled up, we're going to duplicate this again. There's a method to the madness, I promise. Follow just like I'm doing. Then in the second tab, AI Studio. So Ask AI Studio, okay? And then right in here, we're going to come right down here and we're going to go to automation, okay? And we're going to build out using AI. So we have all these pulled up. Then from here, we're just going to copy paste into each 1. So first thing, actually, it looks like it's going to be the e-commerce store. So we'll put that in the vibe coder first. So guys, copy me just like this. You're going to be blown away by what this does. This is building an entire e-commerce store in minutes. You can't get this anywhere else. Boom. Copy this entire first section, plug it right into the vibe coder just like this, and click enter. While this is going to work, we immediately come back here to this. Then we copy this next section, which is into Ask AI. So what do? We come right in here, click this, boom, 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 click enter. This is gonna have something pop up. We're gonna pick a couple different palettes. So we're gonna do this color right here. Actually, we'll do this color. We'll do next. I like this right here. Review, submit, boom. It's now gonna go completely to town. As you see here, look at this. Is this insane? AI is doing all of this for me. Boom. We're gonna ask it to do that because now we're gonna go to the automations part, just coming right back in here, scrolling all the way down. And then we're gonna come right here because it says continue part 2 for section 3. So we're gonna do part 2. And guys, as you see, do you see how easy this is? I'm literally just telling AI what to do and it's building it all for me. Okay, so what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna duplicate this Ask AI page to get a second round to do a new chat so we can put our other agent in. If this is confusing at all and you're like, whoa, what is he doing? He's moving too fast. Drop a comment down below and I'll get you hooked up. It's actually very simple. All we're doing is getting really good. So you wanna do yes, build everything at copy and pasting. That's how we're gonna get really good at using AI. Right now, you don't want to be the person just building shit. You want to be the person having AI build shit for you. This is a skill, believe it or not. Okay, it is a skill, and your whole goal is to be the person standing up here with all your AI agents, telling them what to do. That's how you get really good at this. And believe it or not, a lot of people suck at that. So section 3, boom, we're going to copy this right here, and we're going to put it right into Ask AI again. We're going to click enter, and it's going to start building out said agent. Then we're going to scroll down. It's just scrolling right down, just like this. Recovery cart system. We're going to do copy right into this right here. Boom, paste. We're actually going to get another one of these because we have another one. So we're going to do part 3. And then we come in here and we take this last part, which is the post-purchase retention system. This is our final part. Again, we're having AI do the work for us. Guys, do you see how freaking powerful this is? In section 5, we are now done. We just come right in here, paste, let this thing go to work, and we see what it's going to do. So as you see right here, we have this working right here. It's building our workflow right here. We come in here, just finish this flow, say less. In here, building out my entire website. Then in here, going through and building out all my chatbots and support agents. So we're gonna wait while this does the work, and then we're gonna come in and check on it because right now we're working smarter, not harder with GoHighLevel AI. All right, it looks like all of our stuff is done. So boom, let's look at the AI agent is done. Boom, the AI agent is done. It looks like it completed both of these. Let's quickly check under AI agents, conversational AI agent list. Boom, this prompt created 2. Amazing. Look at that. All right. So those are the 2 AI agents it created. Look how good this is, man. It created an entire website just like this. Wow. It has the elites and the flip-flops. Like I said, damn, look at that. That is sick. And I didn't even tell it really anything other than like, oh, these are just the elites. It's like a real e-commerce store. They put in their real info to make it look about like, look how cool this is. Look how cool. It's got the flip-flops. It's got everything. But this looks clean. This looks really good. Built in seconds. Entire automations built out as well. You see this? I mean, look at this. This is an abandoned cart recovery built out in seconds using this AI prompt and ChatGPT and just copy and paste it. Also, we have the post-purchase retention automation. Beautiful as well. Holy crap, that is long. But all of this done and dusted. Do you see how crazy that is? All of this automation, this entire website, this entire AI chatbot, and this AI chatbot, all done for you in seconds using this prompt. That is the power of AI on high level. And people are not using this to the full. Okay, so that is just absolutely insane. But what I want to do now is I want to make sure these are fully set up so we have that system, okay? And then break down what some of these are because these are absolutely insane. Real quick, if you want this AI prompt, it's completely free right down below with that 30-day free trial of HighLevel. And when you sign up for that, not only do you get this amazing AI prompt so you can build e-commerce websites like that in the entire system, but you get access to my entire private community full of winners. And every single training you could possibly want, every snapshot, every AI prompt, way more than just this one, and every other thing you could possibly need. But most importantly, we give you the ultimate hand-holding experience. So that's calls with me. That's calls with help getting clients, help with sales, how to get clients. Again, these are all different coaches that are actually using and selling GoHighLevel. You get access to all of this for free. How to learn GoHighLevel, how to get help with GoHighLevel, and how to build advanced systems with HighLevel. You can also message me up here whenever you want. No one gives away what I give away. No one. It just doesn't exist. We also have Dominic Baptist in here who's giving away his bonuses as well, which is calls with him and literally his white label videos. Like the amount of stuff we have in here is legitimately worth over $20,000. I want to let you know, if you go out and you buy someone's course for $20,000, $30,000, I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be as valuable as this. And guess what? This is free when you sign up with my 30-day free trial down below. And I don't just keep saying this because, I want to have a bunch of affiliates, but like I'm the top affiliate on high level for a reason. Is because when people come in here, they go, this is what I wish I had a long time ago. This is it. If you don't believe me, click the link down below and look at the testimonials we have. And I'm not saying this from a selfish standpoint, is because I have been in your shoes. I have been lost, I have been alone, and I've been broke, not making any money with high level. So I'm trying to return the favor, which I never got, okay, by having someone that actually helps you, gives you the hand-holding you need, and doesn't just say, hey, buy my course for 10K. Get it for free. Or upgrade under my link, or there's another link if you're fully upgraded and all that stuff, and we'll get you in because this will absolutely change your life. We also are running a 30-day challenge right now, which I really think you'll be interested in, and we're going to be running these month to month, where if you join and you win the award, you get an actual paying client. We'll give you a paying client for the winner and stuff like that, a real hot lead, and we'll give you Amazon gift cards and other stuff if you win. So like, we're also offering this, and this is all free, plus this AI prompt and much more when you sign up down below. But let's go through and let's make sure we have this whole system set up. So what do we have here? We have these two AI agents. What are these for? First off, we have Declan's Shoes Support Agent. So this right here, we're gonna add in on the website via a chat widget to basically do customer support and sales if needed. Okay, so that's the first thing. So we're gonna quickly do that right now. So we're gonna come right in, okay? We're gonna go right down to sites. We're gonna come right to Chat Widget. Once we're in Chat Widget, we're gonna click New. We're gonna do all-in-one chat, and we're gonna come right to messaging, and we're gonna come right in and we're gonna name. We're gonna click Save. Simple as that. We're gonna click Get Code. We're gonna copy this entire code, come right over here, come right over here. We're going to click Paste. I'm just gonna say add this on website, and we're going to click Enter. Simple as that. Boom, in 9 seconds, it did it all for us. Look at that, how cool is that? Added our exact chat widget to our website, so we are done and dusted. That is this right here. So this is to do customer support and sales via this chat widget whenever you want, and they can pick either one and go through it. So that is what this is for, very simply. From there, we now move on to the next part, which is we need to make sure it's configured. So you're going to come right into your email AI chatbot. You're going to configure these settings. So it's picking the exact from email to from name and all the stuff you see right here. Very simply. If you have no idea about how these chatbots work, drop a comment down below and I'll send you a tutorial on all of them. But you just fill this stuff out very simply. It just tells you exactly like from name, from email, that stuff. And then this exact email chatbot is going to start answering emails if people have refunds, if people want to send stuff out. That way, you don't have to be sending emails. It does it for you. Again, work smarter, not harder. And with this, it's going to take care of all of that. So from there, this email AI chatbot takes care of all that. You're good to go. Then we come in here and we're going to want to make sure we type in this. Connect to CRM, because we want this entire website to be connected to the dashboard so the payments and everything is linked up. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So let's ask it. Boom. It's going to say connect to CRM, blah, 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 blah. We're going to click connect. Boom. Look at that. Done. Dialed, as it says right here. I've successfully connected it. So we're now good to go with this side. Now the last part is making sure your automations are fully functioning. So you're going to want to come to this error resolve. You want to click ask AI to resolve it, and you're going to want to do this on both. So this one looks like it should be good. From there, you want to publish both workflows. We're not going to do that because we don't want to activate these on this sub account. This is a test. And then from there, make sure everything is properly checked. You're going through making sure it's the right email. It should have been set up with, again, like contact, first name, proper email stuff you're going to have to put in, but everything should already be done and set up, so you don't need to freak out. That's the beauty of this prompt. It already set that up. So once you have that all tested, make sure this stuff is connected. Always test your workflows to make sure they are working. But other than that, this entire process is done. We built out, this is insane. I'll just go back and show you. We built out from this one prompt that you get for free, multiple support agents, AI agents that talk to you and do customer support and sales, okay, an entire e-commerce store with products and an abandoned cart recovery and post-purchase retention, and obviously a bunch of tags and other small stuff. We built all of that in minutes using AI prompts. Do you realize how powerful that is? I mean, you can obviously go back and tweak stuff manually to make sure it's fully working. And there's always testing phases with this stuff. Like nothing is perfect right off the bat. You might need to tweak some stuff and change some stuff. But like this is the kind of stuff that, no joke, to build even the base or a wireframe would take a couple of days. We can now do that in minutes using AI. Now, I'm going to be honest, this prompt took me a while to do because when I would build it out and test it, it wouldn't work. It would just do weird crap, like give me a different automation or build the wrong kind of website. So like this kind of stuff takes a lot of time for me to do, but I'm building it and I'm giving it to you for free because I wanted to help you. I want to do what someone never did for me, which is give you the fast track. So all you have to focus on is getting clients because that's what matters most. And the gurus aren't telling you that because they don't know that either. But I do because I've lived this. So please do this so you can actually sell and make money with HighLevel. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. That's how you build an e-commerce store like that. You guys are seeing proof of it. I mean, it's absolutely insane. If you guys have any questions about any of this, please drop in the comments down below. Also, if you're interested in getting access to this prompt and getting into my private community, just go to right down below, sign up with my 30-day free trial or upgrade, or use the other link to get in. But as you see, it is just one big happy family of amazing people. And I really think it is the greatest community out there just because we give away more than anyone else. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to pop up in literally 2 seconds, which is going to be the AI voice agents inside of HighLevel. It's also going to be showing the best way using AI, most up-to-date way to build these. Now, quick point on why you need to watch this, because I need to quickly just like let you know, because this is very important, is that AI voice agents are one of the most powerful ways to do customer support and sales for a business today. And HighLevel's AI voice agents are some of the best. And in the video I'm about to show you, I'm telling you guys right now, what I have done with this is I have created basically the fastest, simplest way to build these out, okay? Mimicking my own agent, which is proven and tested, Rebecca, which you're gonna see when you watch the video that pops up in a second, but like, you need to learn this, okay? If you don't learn this and you're not properly going through this, you're cooked. Like, I'm sorry. Like, so many people I know are skipping these fundamentals. Like, you got to learn AI voice agents. And now that you understand how to use the Ask AI, the vibe coder prompting, you now need to learn the next part, which is the AI voice agents. So that's going to be popping up here in a sec, but I just want to say thanks again for watching. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Hit that 30-day free trial if you're interested. But most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now.